What is a direct vent gas fireplace? Fireplaces are a great addition to a home. They add to the ambience, increase the value of your home, and with innovations in technology, they are very convenient to use. A direct vent gas fireplace is the most popular choice as it offers flexibility in installation, has a very authentic looking fire, and is very efficient compared to traditional gas fireplaces. Direct vent fireplaces are factory-built gas-burning fireplaces that are installed into a wood-framed cavity where you do not already have a fireplace. Direct vent fireplaces use a coaxial pipe within a pipe venting system to draw fresh air in for combustion, as well as exhaust the combustion gases at the same time. This means you will not be using the air in your home that you already paid to heat for the fireplace's combustion air. A direct vent fireplace is much more efficient than a traditional fireplace because it will not affect the air quality of the home. Cold air cannot infiltrate your home due to the sealed combustion chamber where the fire takes place. One of the most attractive features of a direct vent fireplace is that it can be operated without electricity. Millivolt standing pilot systems do not require electricity. Intermittent pilotless units have a battery backup that can power the fireplace for months if need be. You will have a backup heat source should your home lose power. We hope you have found this video helpful in determining if this product would be the best choice for what you're looking for. If you need any further assistance or have additional questions, please give us a call, send us an email, or chat with us online.